There was this place called Rainy Mountain. The hardest weather in the world is there. Winter brings blizzards. Hot tornadic winds in the spring. In summer, the prairie is like an anvil's edge. The grass turns brittle and brown, cracks beneath your feet. Loneliness is an aspect of the land. I returned to Rainy Mountain in spring. My grandmother had died, and I wanted to see her grave. She had lived to be very old. Her people, the Kiowas, were in alliance with the Comanches, who were of the finest horsemen in the world, and war was their sacred business. The Kiowas did not really understand war or the advancement of the U.S. cavalry, who were eventually imprisoned by them. My grandmother was spared. Her people began a long migration south and east. They were befriended by the Crows, who gave them culture and religion of the plains. They acquired horses, ancient nomadic spirit, a symbol of worship and a sacred sun dance. When they finished their journey and entered the southern plains, they had been transformed. No longer they were slaves of survival. They were a lordly and dangerous society of fighters and thieves, hunters and priests of the sun. Hey, how are you? How are you?
Jesus.
I began my journey to Rainy Mountain, remembering all of my childhood memories, specifically the ones I had with my grandma. There were frequent prayer meetings between her and the townspeople. In winter, her and her tribe kept everything to themselves, not going out, staying in their homes. But in summer, they never stopped moving. Always out, you would never find them in their homes. I had finally made it to Rainy Mountain. I stayed the night in my grandma's house and followed the dirt path the next morning to her grave.